So you can tell already from the title of this video, I have started a new channel and I wanted to let you know first. So the new channel is called One Hello, because in case you're not on my email list or you don't follow me on other places on social media, I actually started a new company. It is called One Hello, because one hello can lead to a million opportunities. If you've been around here, you know I firmly believe in that. I think it's totally true, and I really wanted to start something around the idea of building authentic relationships, networking without the ick factor. And I want to help you not just getting a job, but going through your whole career journey, and you need people to help you on that journey. And so I want to help you build those professional, authentic relationships. And to do that, I started a whole new channel. So the channel starts today. There are 3 videos up for you right now. If you've watched all of my content, which I don't think most people have, it's a lot of it, but some of the less popular videos are on the topic of networking and relationship building. And honestly, those are the videos I think everyone should watch because they're most important. We need people in our lives. People are messy, people can be hard, but success comes through people. And even more important than success, bigger, richer lives happen when other people are in our lives. And I don't want anyone to feel alone in this world or to go through life alone. And so while I can't fix everything, I can at least start by helping us all have better professional relationships. So that's what this new channel is about. So you can go over there and watch those. I'm not saying I won't post here anymore. I know I'm gonna have a wild hair up my nose every now and then where I go, I gotta talk about this job search specific topic, and that will be here. But I would love, if you enjoy watching me and learning from me, I would love if you would go over to the new channel and subscribe, like, watch those first videos. I am trying to get you set up for success in 2024 and help you build relationships in your life authentically. It's always authentically to get you to reach those career professional goals. So I've loved being with you here. The videos that are here are not going anywhere. You can always watch them. They will always be here for you. But new and exciting things happening on that new channel because I want us all to have deeper connections with each other and create new opportunities for ourselves in our work. My nose is itching, sorry. And yeah, just build deeper relationships so that we can succeed in this world. We need one another. I want to help you learn how to do that, and that new channel will hopefully help you grow. If you have questions, feel free to leave those in the comments here. I'm still going to read them. I'm still going to see them. I would love to see what those are, but I would love for you to join me over there. Go watch the 3 videos I have for you, and yeah, join me on the new channel. I can't wait to see you. Bye.